Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox keeps freezing on PC. First, let's check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial, so aim for a ping under 50 milliseconds. Next, close any background apps that might be hogging your computer's resources. Things like web browsers with many tabs open or other games can really slow things down. Finally, confirm your PC meets Roblox's minimum requirements, especially having at least 4 GB of RAM for smooth gameplay. These initial steps often resolve many common freezing issues. Now, let's dive into graphics and drivers. Start by lowering Roblox's in-game graphics settings. Reducing the quality can significantly improve performance, especially on older machines. Next, it's vital to update your graphics card drivers. Outdated drivers are a common culprit for freezing, so visit your manufacturer's website, like NVIDIA or AMD, to download the latest version. Also, consider setting your PC's power plan to high performance to ensure your system dedicates maximum resources to Roblox, preventing those frustrating freezes. Moving on, let's tackle cache and reinstallation. Over time, Roblox accumulates temporary files and cache data that can cause performance issues. You should clear these out from your app data folder. If that doesn't work, a clean reinstallation is often the most effective solution. Completely uninstall Roblox, then download and install it fresh from the official website. Additionally, running a disk cleanup and defragmentation, if you have a traditional hard drive, can optimize your storage and help prevent freezing by ensuring efficient data access. Finally, let's consider system health and support. Overheating components, especially your CPU and GPU, can lead to severe performance drops and freezing. Use monitoring software to keep an eye on your temperatures. Also, perform a thorough scan for malware or viruses. These can secretly consume significant system resources. If, after trying all these steps, Roblox continues to freeze, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox support. Provide them with as much detail as possible about your issue and the troubleshooting steps you've already taken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.